Hello and good morning, dear students. This is Miss Wafa Mustafa, and we are still in Unit 1. This is Writing of Unit 1, Pears Plum Tree. So, in this video, we are going to take Lesson 2 of Grammar in Unit 1. It's about statements and questions. So, let's first begin with the statements. What is a statement? A statement is a telling sentence. It tells the reader something. Let's see the example. The ship sailed across the ocean. The ship sailed across the ocean. So, a statement starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. And for sure, we have a subject, which is the ship, and we have a verb, which is sailed. So, this sentence is a statement. It gives us a complete thought and it tells us something. The ship sailed across the ocean. So, what about the questions? A question asks the reader something. Let's see the example. What color is the dog? So, what color is the dog? We are waiting for an answer. So, the question starts with a capital letter and it ends with a question mark. Look here, the W in what is capital, and we have a question mark at the end because this is a question. What color is the dog? So, we are waiting for an answer like the dog is brown or the dog is whatever color. So, this is a question. Question The questions start with a question word. What? What color is the dog? So, questions begin with a question word, just like what? So, can you tell me what is a question word? Here is a few. Who? Who did this, for example? What? What are you doing, guys? Why? Why are you doing so? How? How you did it? Where? Where did you go last night? When? When did you come? So all these are question words. WH questions. So the if you find one of these in the beginning of the sentence, it will be a question. Just like this question, what color is the dog? So in this example, we use what? What color is the dog? This one. So now let's practice question or statement. I'm going to tell you an example and you will guess if it's a sentence or a question. Question or statement. The children are playing. The children are playing. What do you think, guys? Is it a statement or a question? And how do you know that? So the children are playing. This is a statement. Yes, that's correct. This is a statement, guys. So why did you see that? Or why did you say that? It tells us something. Yes, that's correct. So the children are playing. This is a statement because it tells us something. It gives us a complete thought and it has meaning. So this is a statement. It doesn't start with a question word. There is no question word here. The children are playing, and that's it. It doesn't give us an order. It doesn't ask us to do something. So this is not a question. This is a statement. Let's see the next one. The bluebird sings loudly. The bluebird sings loudly. What do you think, guys? If this is a question or a statement? Yes, that's correct. This is a, let's see. Yes, correct. Statement. Why? Because it gives us a complete thought. It tells us something. The bluebird sings loudly. So right now we know that this bluebird sings loudly. So this statement does not start with a question word and it cannot be answered. Why it cannot be answered? Because it's not a question. Only questions can be answered. But in this example, this is a statement, so there is no a question here. The bluebird sings loudly, and that here it begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. So this is a statement. Let's see the next one. Where is the kitten? Where is the kitten? So, do you think this is a question or a statement? Does it begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop? No, it doesn't end with a full stop. It ends with a question mark. So do you think this is a question? Yes, that's correct. Super. This is a question. How do you know that? It asks something. Where is the kitten? I am waiting for an answer right now. I want you to tell me where is the kitten? I don't know. So tell me please. It asks something, so it's a question. It starts with a question word. It can be answered. The kitten is in the box, as you can see here. So, this is a question, it's not a statement. What about this one? When will the football game start? When will the football game start? Does it give you a complete thought? No, we are waiting for an answer here, right? So this is a question, it's not a statement. Look here. Yes, this is a question. When will the football game start? Does it end with a full stop or a period? It ends with a question mark. So this is a question. It asks something. We don't know when will the football game start. So I'm asking you right now, do you know when will the football game start? So it starts with a question word. It can be answered. The game will start soon, just in a few minutes. So this is a question. It asks something. So it's a question, not a statement. It begins with a capital letter. The W and when is capital, but it ends with a question mark, not a full stop, because this is a question. Quick recap, guys. Here it is. Question and statement. A statement is a telling sentence. So the statement is a sentence and it gives us a complete thought or it gives us meaning. It tells the reader something. The ship sailed across the ocean. Now I know the ship is no longer on the on the board. It sailed across the ocean. A statement starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Here, the T is capital, it ends with a full stop. So this is a statement. What about question? A question asks the reader something. What color is the dog? Do you know? What color is the dog? I'm waiting for an answer here. So it begins with a capital letter and but it ends with a question mark. So that's all for questions and statement. See you guys in grammar lesson 3. Bye bye and thank you for watching.